Hey guys, welcome back to the channel IT Simplifier. Today I'll show you how to fix this annoying error. You can't access this shared folder because your organization's security policy block this asset. So sometimes you try to access this network and then you have this annoying error message that sometimes baffles you. So today, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently deal with this issue. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and also bring your comments for others who also get to know. So let's get started. As you can see, this is Windows security measures. You understand? So Windows use some security measures to prevent unauthorized access people to access your network. So before you be able to do some of this issue, you need to go and enable something. So now let's come with me. Let's get into action. Okay. So first of all, you just need to go to your start button. Then you search for GP. It's a GP group policy thing. So you look for GP group policy. Then because it's something that you need to enable, you need to allow, so you need to do that in administrative. I understand. So look for administrative templates, right? Then it's a network related issue, so we head to network. Then we look for this landmark workstation. You understand? This is landmark workstation. Double click. Then on the right hand side, you look for enable insecure guest login. You understand? Enable insecure guest logouts. So you double click it, it comes. Then you click on enable, then you click on apply and OK. Understand? Apply and OK. So from here you should be able to access your network, and if it doesn't work, then you need to go to the step 2. Then step 2, we are going to go into our reg edit to go and enable insecure there. So now come with me. So now we use Windows R, then we search for reg edit. So you look for reg edit, you open. Now you look for this H key local machine, you expand. Then look for systems, then you expand here. Then look for current control sets, you expand current control set. Then you look for services, okay, then you expand it. Then you look for the landmark workstation that we first did. So landmark workstation, landmark, so it's here, it's here. So we expand this one too. Then look for parameter, double click on parameter. So when you come here, you're going to allow insecure guest out, but because I'm already done it, when you come here, you will not see this here. All right, so let's delete it and we all do it together. So when you come here, sometimes you don't see the allow insecure guest out. So what you have to do is we come to here, new, right click on the plain space, new. Then you do the D word 32 bits. Don't use 32 bits. You click on 32 bits. Then you type allow insecure guest out. Yeah, you type this. Then you right click on it or double click on it. Then you change the value from 0 to 1. You understand? 0 to 1. Then you click OK. From here, then you restart your machine. Okay, so so after restarting the machine, you should be able to now log in. Yes, okay, that's great. Now we are able to access your network. So guys, this is how you were able to get rid of this annoying error message that you cannot access this folder because your organization security policy block access. Yeah, so now we are done with this. If you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also share for others to also get to know, and then bring your comment on how this video helped you. If you are able to do also bring your comments, and we are going to help you solve this issue. If you want more of this IT related issue, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel so that you can get more of this. Until we come again next time, this is Dennis, and the channel is IT Simplifier. See you.